In front of me is Honor 9X Lite, and let me show you how to reset app preferences on this device. So first of all, just open the settings right here, then find and select apps, and click on all apps right here. Then tap on more icon and select the last option, which is reset app preferences. And if you really want to reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default applications for actions, background data restrictions for apps, and any other permission restrictions, just tap on reset. And that's it, it has been done. So congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.